What's up, Knife Tube? It's Diamond Cut Steel, and you guys are going to learn something today. And what you're going to learn is what not to buy. All right. So what we have here would be a $200 system from DMD. Let me cut some lights on here. And it looked like a decent attempt at a small, lightweight, capable system. It actually looked like a decent attempt, so I give them a chance. Well, I don't know if this system's any good or not, and I'll tell you why. And it has to do with these clamps. I don't know who engineered these clamps. I don't know why. I know they had to test them. I mean, you wouldn't put something out on market without testing it, would you? I mean, I wouldn't, because that's, risking disastrous consequences. Like this review video is going to be a disastrous consequence. So I'm just going to go into it. We cut test this Pilar the other day, so why not? It's not like I'm going to be able to sharpen it anyway. Anyways, I'm sorry for the background noise. They got the washing machine on. You can hear it from out here in the shop. Nothing to do about it. So, okay. Everything looks normal right now, right? Except they dovetailed these clamps. They're not like the TS Prof or Hapstone clamps. I'm sorry about that noise, guys. It'll go away in a second. So, all right, yeah, that spin cycle couldn't be any more noisy, could it? I hope that microphone's doing this job in noise cancellation. Okay. So here's the problem. See that? See that? That was me clamping them quite tight. Let's really bear down on it. And remember, I'm on the flat section of the knife too. Where I'm clamping at is a flat grind. We're really going to lock down on it this time. If I strip it out, it will. All right, now I haven't went that tight before. Oh, what do you know? And that's just, look, I mean, literally just with 2 fingers. The system is unusable. I don't know if it's good or not. Everything else, the the turning mechanism and all that is done right. It's done nice, rock solid. brass, there's no flex, it's done right. The height adjustment mechanism, nice and smooth. Got a lock, done right. The clamp is going to give you basically let you use any, be it like a bar style Veneve or Edge Pro, Edge Pro format, would work just fine. The linear bearing and the swivel work fine. You actually have a quasi thickness compensator right here that you could use, even though it's not really used for that. It's used for the arm support, but you could use it as a thickness compensator. So they did a good job on everything except the clamps, the most important part of the system, besides for this unit, the turning mechanism. The clamps are the most important part, I would say, right behind this. Well, actually, no, that's not true. Clamps are the most important part, because if you can't clamp the knife, this doesn't matter. So the most important part of the system, they made unusable. And that's given it its best opportunity. That's flat. Where I'm clamping, it's flat. That's off the grind. So you really could forget about it on a flat grind. Come on, DMD. This is not like this is a $50 China sharpener. This is $200. It's a $200 system. This is unacceptable. Yeah. I really wish DMD would contact me and send me a new set. Something that would actually work. I would like to give this sharpener a try, but as is, it's worthless. And, I'm not going to eat $200. This is going to go back. But I would like to give it a chance. Because it is. It's a small form factor. It's lightweight. This could be an awesome little system. But not with these clamps, because these clamps are absolutely useless. I mean absolutely useless. Whoever designed these clamps, if they would have even remotely tested them out, there's no way they don't know this. There's no way. I mean, you can only clamp it down as hard as you can where you feel like you're fixing to strip it out, and you can literally just go like that and rock the knife. So I'll tell you what, I don't know how many views this is going to get, but I'll say this. I really hope that anybody that goes to buy this checks this video before they buy it. Otherwise, you just wasted $200. So there it is. Come on, DMD. Get at me. You know what? I'm sure that I've actually made you quite a bit of money on your resin stones. I have no doubt a lot of people have bought them because of my videos. Get in contact with me. My email is in my channel bio. Go look. Email me. Get me some new clamps. These clamps here are garbage. Get me some new clamps. If I don't hear from you in a couple days, I'm going to box it up, return it back to Amazon. I would like to be able to put another video out saying, hey, they corrected, the clamps are good now. This is a cool little system. I hate putting out like a hit piece, but this is garbage. I mean, this is garbage. Everything else feels okay so far. I don't know if necessarily worth $200. That I would have to use it to tell, but as of right now, this isn't even worth $20 because of these clamps. So if you're in the market, do not buy this sharpener. Not until they fix these clamps. If you buy this sharpener as is right now, it is useless. Literally useless. You will not be able to clamp the knife, and if you do, and you say you don't, you're new to the, you're new to it. You clamp it, and you're having the blade be able to move, that much in the clamp as you flip it back and forth. You go, push it down, you flip it, put the stone back on it, you push it. You're gonna cause big problems. You're gonna wreck, your bevel. You like, if you bought this, do not use it. Maybe they all don't have this problem. I'm sure they do. I can tell by the design of the clamps, they all do. But just say yours don't, then whatever. If you bought this, check it. If your knife can do that when you've clamped it, do not use this. If you haven't bought it, but you're thinking about it, don't buy it. You're just giving up $200 for nothing. All right, guys. DMD, get at me. I would love to. I would love to get clamps that actually work. Have a good day.